Hello students, today I am here with chapter 6, that is for class 8, Conservation of Biodiversity. In the previous video you have read about the what is conservation, what is biodiversity, and what is flora, fauna, what is ecosystem, what are the various types of the ecosystem, and about the forest. That means what is forest, what are the various uses of the forest. In this video I am going to discuss about the deforestation. So that means what is deforestation, what are the various causes of deforestation, that means natural and man-made causes, and what are the consequences of deforestation, that means how it affect us. So let's start. So what is deforestation? Deforestation, that means the permanent removal of a trees to make room that means space for something besides forest, and this can include clearing the land. And that means why people are clearing the forest? For the various purposes, like for making the construction, for agriculture purposes, for grazing purposes. So these are the reason, that's why they are cutting the trees. But nowadays what is happening, that means the area that covers the forest, that is decreasing day by day. Forest covers more than 30% of the earth's land surface according to the World Wildlife Fund. This is clear by the diagram. You can see the diagram of deforestation. This is the diagram of deforestation. That means you can see here that some trees are have been cut down. So what is the main reason? The main reason is clearing the land to utilize it for the various purposes, either for making buildings, for agriculture purposes, for making dam, mining activity, etc. Our next topic is causes of deforestation. That means what are the various causes for that people are cutting the trees. So one by one we will read about that. First is agriculture. Agriculture, that means conversion of forest to agriculture land to feed growing needs of the people. The next one is commercial logging. So what is commercial logging? Commercial logging, that means utilizing that land, that means mainly the forest area, for various commercial purposes. For that means earn money for making the industries or factories. Next one is mining activities. For mining activities also, that means first people have to clear the trees, then it should be done. Our next topic is increase in population. Actually this is the root cause of the every problem. As we know that nowadays the population that is increasing at a very fast speed, and to fulfill the demands of the growing population, actually land is limited, so we can't increase the land. So that's why people are cutting the trees and clearing the forest to utilize that land for the various purposes. The next topic is urbanization and industrialization. Urbanization, that means nowadays, that means people are shifting to urban areas. So for making the cities, and that means that's why people are clearing the forest and utilize that land for making the houses. So that's why, because in urban areas the population density that is increasing, and industries that is also increasing at a very fast rate. And why this happens? Because to fulfill the demands of the growing population, more products should be manufactured. That's why the number of industries that is also increasing day by day. Construction of dam reservoirs. For making dam also, that means the area that is clear to utilize that land for making the dams. Next is the forest fire, and this is the natural causes. And whatever the causes I have discussed right now, all are the man-made causes, but the forest fire, that is a natural causes. Sometimes because of the forest fire also, that means the several forest has been destroyed. Our next topic is overgrazing. Because of overgrazing, that means when the animals graze the land, that means the small trees which are present on the land, so that is also cleared by the animals because of the overgrazing. Now our next topic is how to reduce and prevent deforestation. That means what are the various ways by which we can reduce or minimize it. So first is plant a tree. That means plantation. We should plant more and more tree to avoid deforestation. Next is use less paper. As we know that the paper that is made from the wood pulp, that means for making the paper we have to cut the tree. So when we less use the paper, we can also minimize the deforestation. Our next is topic is recycle paper and cardboard. By recycle paper we can that means use it for 7 to 8 times. So in this way, that means we can stop cutting the many of the trees. Next is use recycled product. Many things can be recycled. So in this way, that means like paper, various product can be recycled. So in this way, that means we can also stop deforestation. As we know that trees, they are very important for us. So if we save the tree, we can save the life, because they provide us various things like fresh air. They also regulate the water cycle. They prevent the pollution. This is the peak of you can say the Chipko movement, which is started by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Okay, so these are the different ways by which we can stop the deforestation. Okay, thank you student. In the next video we will read about the consequences of deforestation. That means how it affects us. Okay, thank you.